Sup, the hardcore series is back. I'm now recording in hardcore. So I promise you on July 28th. Yeah, I recorded and let's go. I build I build my base. I didn't build like a giant and I build like no. I can't even record. Wait. This is my base and I'm not cheating right now. I got this gold armor from another ruin portal, and I go to the ocean because it's really good to start a base and it's away from mobs. And I build sugarcane farm and a farm already. It's pretty small, but that's okay. Okay, let's start our journey. Where's my boat? It's my boat. Right you. Oh no! Yeah, wait. Let me put my things in here. Let me put my food in here. Let's go. Now let's start. We need food. We need the food. This is the first hardcore I've ever recorded because when I record, my game glitches and freezes, and I fix it now, so it's okay. Need like wood for we need wood for our base. Let's go. We need. Oh, that's an apple. Is that an apple? Cut down this tree. Let's go. Oh, an apple. I thought this was an apple tree. Okay, let me get that. Don't bother this like not like this on the top. Don't bother that. Don't bother that at the top of my screen. So okay, that's don't bother it. It's just the game. When I fixed my game, it's the top appeared and I don't know how to get that, so that's okay. Don't bother it anyways. So mine some wood. No, this is pretty boring. I'm gonna build my house right now. I have ton of food for my base. I have a ton of food on my island. Let's work on the island and let's go. Let's go. Bruh, what I'm doing, bro? I'm too cringe. Let's go. We got a ton of wood. Store them there. Wood. I'm gonna craft this 19 wood into flanks. Let's go. Ay, no. Bruh. Bro. 64. Bruh. Not that. Okay, let's go. We need 3 stacks of wood. We need at least 3 stacks. Oh, not 3 stacks. This is 3 stacks. Yeah, this 3 stacks. Logs. No, bro, I keep pressing this how to play button, bro. Let's go. Build decks stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. I think 5 is good. Build deck. Oh, I cannot even reach it. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is small house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boo! No, Boo, why you take damage? Because I'm jumping. If I lost this sacred word, this is so bad. This is just a small house. I don't have enough wood to build a house. To build like a house. Let's go and here. This part it's pretty boring. So let me cut it out. And it's done. Boom. Let's go. It's pretty ugly. Wow. It's pretty ugly. But it's okay. Uh, uh, at least we have a house. And let me get my things. Oh. Who keep pressing the... Bro, I keep pressing how to play. Come in. My brother is playing Minecraft too. It's pretty loud. So, the crafting table. Not too much. To build like upstairs. Wait, upstairs, like upstairs. Yeah, there's stubs, like swabs, labs. No. Oh, Let's begin tonight. I don't like phantom spawning in. Phantoms are very annoying, bro. Let's go. We need like torch. Let's stop them out here. Stop them here. Let's go. It's so brighter now. Then let's move my bed. This bed is pretty disgusting. This doesn't even have a grass, bro. Oh, lolo. My brother is fighting the Ender Dragon. It's so loud. Bruh. Yes, we need to sleep. No! Bruh, what am I doing, bro? And there's something here. Oh, chicken. There's so many foods. They may do that. No. Oh, it's so lag. Let's go. Oh, I have playground there. These spots. Yeah, give me that. This is my hardcore world. Wait. This is my hardcore world. Hardcore world. I mean. No! Bruh. Let's freeze. Yes, I clutch. Bro, my brother is fighting the Ender Dragon, bro. There's the furnace down there. We can go here and craft things. And need to place our pot, bro. Oh my god. I need to craft a door. I almost forgot. No, it's not a crafting table. A door. And I need sand, so yan. Where's my chest? Need to craft another. I need to craft chest. Chest. Barrels, bro. This is good. Chest in a barrel. Let's stop the barrel right here. Let's stop down these things. That. Oh, I need to stop. No, I don't need that. And this things. Cobblestone. Let's go. Bro, my house is pretty bad, bro. No, man. And need like crafting table. I have a crafting table. Need na food. Oh. Got the pot. I miss the pot. Whoa, wait a minute. Bro, sapling is pretty good to decorate. Flower pot right here and yo, good, bro. This is good. Azalea bush. Shit. No, bro. Why do how to pro? Need sand. We need sand, bro. No, yes, something like. Oh, I forgot the roof. I cannot build a house without a roof, bruh. Here's Let's go. Yo, let's go. We need the no. Peaches? No. Grass? No. Can we combine grass and seeds? Oh. Nah. Don't combine. Is there seeds in here? There's no seeds. Iron. Oh, I guess not iron. Let's go and build a platform so they should have grass. Let's go. Ooh. Ah, wait. Ooh. I always died in my hard chords. I always died because of small things like got impaled by Anjan and I don't want a boat and get shot by a skeleton at 1 heart. Bro, I always die at my hard chords, bro. And check the bottom. There's their drums. Come on. This part is pretty boring, so let me cut it. And let's go. We have like a dirt bot, so we cannot use a boat anymore. This is good. Sugarcanes, I didn't harvest this. Ooh. Our goal is this video is just build a house and expand this and decorate more. I just want to beat the Ender Dragon because I'm so scared. Yeah, if you like Cookie God, yeah, go search. No, I like Cookie God much, bro. Cookie God. I watch his videos. I watch his videos every day. So, yeah. No, my house is done. Boys, Pidoy ugly. And I can't wait to get grass. To get grass of this. To get grass in here. Bro, that part is so ugly. Okay. Well, quick break for you guys. I'm gonna pee. Let's go. I finished peeing. That was good. So, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you at the next good part.